Okay, so the Battle of Atlantic is compared to trench warfare. You have the attrition on boats, mathematical battling. They talk about kill rates, how many boats are sunk compared to how many can be built. Convoys are built of 30 ships because they're harder to find. American escort commercial ships halfway. There's messages being deciphered, convoys being rerouted, Russian counterattacks that cost many Germans their lives in the winter. 980,000 Germans killed, wounded, or captured, almost a third of the army that went there. Japan had been at war longer, fighting a war of conquest in China. Oil, aluminum, tin, rubber are needed in Japan, as well as food imports. American Navy was the largest in the world in that time, and Pearl Harbor was targeted while they hid behind a weather front. The Japanese came in December 7th, 1941, at 6 a.m. 17 warships, 8 battleships, torpedoes, dive bombers, and high-level bomber assaults. 6 battleships sunk, 2 damaged, 160 aircrafts destroyed, 2,403 people killed, 1,178 wounded. Japanese lost his 29 aircrafts. Was Admiral Yamamoto, and he said he could act for a few years and lose in the long term. Then in episode 8, Punbaji Bombardment, Prisoners of War, Malat in the Middle East Midway. The Japanese war efforts roll out across the Pacific. Country after country hit, thousands surrender. In Singapore, defeat for the British. And here are the rest of my notes. I'm running out of time here. You can hear, I'll read a little bit of them. Malay aircraft sink 2 British warships. Russia, severe winters kill soldiers. German offensive in the spring. Leningrad, Battle of Germany and Britain in the air.